Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammad Inzamam from Sai Mida ESET Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Sai Mida Koti, Hyderabad every year conducts this video lecture series in the form will be telling the students how to prepare in a very less time for the remaining ESET days. ESET examination ki preparation inka kontamandi start cheyaledu. కొంతమంది స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ద పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ నౌ ఇన్ ద డేస్ ఆఫ్ రివిజన్ దట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ దేర్ ఎంటైర్ సిలబస్ 1 to 2 times and now they are worrying about what topics to be chosen for revision and how to revise the entire syllabus of ESET examination within this 20 to 30 days. 20 to 30 days లో ఎంటైర్ సిలబస్ని రివిజన్ చేయాలి and score much more, that is minimum 120 plus marks score cheyalante ఏ విధంగా చేయాలి సార్? What is the tactic for it? What is the strategy for it? And how we have to manage our time on daily basis, on hourly basis, so that within 20 to 30 days entire syllabus of the ESET examination, which is going to be costing us around 120 plus marks syllabus anedi complete ఏ విధంగా చేయాలి? In this very video we are going to be discussing for mechanical DME, diploma in mechanical engineering students ki manam ee roju ee video lo discuss cheyabothunam. My dear students, you can be an AP aspirant for TS examination, ESET examination or TG aspirants for the ESET examination. మీరు AP ESET రాయాలనుకున్నా, TS ESET, TG ESET రాయాలనుకున్నా, sir, what is the information that we need to know? Before proceeding to the strategies and time management, let's first discuss about the important dates. Here you can see the very most important date is this download of hall tickets. Okay, this is going to be on the 6th of May. If you are having some edit option, then you have this date, that is 28th of this month, from 28th to 2nd of May. Yes, you can edit your options. Those who have not registered, not applied so far, yes, date is there. You can apply for the online application till 19th of this very month. Today is 16th. You are having for the 3 more days. Those who have not yet applied, okay, మీరు అందరు ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఖచ్చితంగా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని పాస్ చేయండి. దోస్ హు ఆర్ థింకింగ్ దట్ ఎస్ ఇంకా డేట్ ఉంది కదా అప్లై చేద్దామనే ఉద్దేశంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఖచ్చితంగా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పాస్ చేయండి దట్ 19th is the very last date for the online applications for the ESET examination. Okay, so my dear students, those who have not applied so far for the online application ఖచ్చితంగా అప్లై చేసుకోండి. With a late fee of 526 and with a late fee of 1000, it's going to be up to 2nd of the May. So the date of examination everyone knows about it, and yes, we are waiting for this date, 12th of May. You don't have around 1 month's time also for the TS examination. It's 12th. Today is 16 to 12, 4 days less, 1 month, 30 days time. That is 26 days time you'll be approximately having for the ESET examination. Okay, so these dates need to be remembered for appearing the exam. Similarly, if you can see, the important dates here are also given for the examination which is going to be conducted on 6th of May for the AP students. Download of hall tickets is going to be starting from 1st May itself. Last date for the submission of online application with the late fee is 7th of April. Okay, that has been already gone, and last date for submission for online application with late fee of 2000 is 17, that is tomorrow. Last date for the submission of online application with the late fee of 4000, 22, and last date for submission of online application with late fee of 10,000 is 28. So yes, this opportunity is available. So far those who have not yet applied, yes, you can pay a late fee of 2000 and go for the application. Okay, so these are the dates that you have to understand, those who are appearing for the AP ESET examination. Okay, my dear students, let's move on and discuss about the last year, previous year, how the students score. The first ranker, what was the marks in maths, physics, chemistry and engineering? 1000 integrated ranker, what was the marks in maths, physics, chemistry and engineering? Top 100 branch rank, how much you have to score to get the top 100 branch rank in mechanical? Okay, let's start it with the first one, rank number 1. You can see here, branch rank is 3, integrated rank is 10th. The maximum score was there in maths around how much? 31 marks. Okay, the maximum score which was given here was 31 marks. if you can say 31 marks, that means minimum in maths, physics and chemistry. Maths if you choose, so how much you have to score? 30 marks you have to score. Okay. And engineering is the maximum marks 80, total marks of 147, branch rank was 3, integrated rank was 10. Branch rank is 3. Similarly, if you see the all top 10 rankers, 3rd, 4th, 7th, 8th, till here if you observe, the maths marks are around 28, 29, 27. That is around 30 marks itself. Okay. In physics and chemistry, you can see 20, 19, 12, 14, 15, 21. In an average, if you see here 15 marks, 20 marks there. So averagely, it's going to be around some, let's say 30 marks itself. 30 here, 30 there, around 60 marks. Engineering, you can see here 80, around 77, 80, 66, 70, this is 80. So it is around some average 70 to 80 marks. So 60 here, 70 here, that means more than 130, 140 marks you should be having to get the top 10 engineering rank, around 130 to 150. In average, you can say here 140 marks, which is going to be there at around 138. Top 10 engineering branch rank. Okay. Similarly, if you are going to see you can see all this analysis, but I want to show you here the maximum, that is 1000 integrated ranker. You can see here 1000 integrated ranker, branch rank is how much? 100 for the mechanical. That means if a mechanical student want to get top 100 branch rank, top 1000 integrated rank, then how much should be the score? How much should be the score? The score should be around 100 marks. That is 110 or 100, because every year paper is going to be changed, then definitely this level of marks are also going to be changed. But if you see the 1000 integrated ranker from the mechanical of having branch rank 100, how much score they are going to have? They are going to have a score of around 91, 100, 101, 103, 104, 106, like that. Okay. So minimum you should be scoring around 100 plus marks. That should be your target. Okay, 120 plus is best target, because the weightage of the level of difficulty of paper is going to be what changed every year. Difficulty level changes, so definitely this total marks also going to change. Okay, so keep that in mind. So in mathematics 17, around 9, around 10, and engineering around 60. So average the total marks is around 100. Okay, so that would be very easy for you if you are going to plan it well. Okay, those who are prepared but there is no revision, then definitely they are going to be getting very less marks. But the students those who are preparing very few questions on daily basis, and definitely they are performing well at the end of the examination in comparison with the other students those who have not even revised. So ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఏం చేయాలి, తక్కువ ప్రిపేర్ అయినా పర్లేదు కానీ ప్రిపేర్ అయిన టాపిక్స్కి బాగా రివైజ్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. This is not the time for taking a new topic and studying that topic, because studying a topic requires 6 months of time. But here we don't have even 1 month. So what are we going to do, sir? Mock examinations మనం ఏదైతే కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నామో, ఏదైతే కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో, ఆ mock examinationకి already faculty members have given the entire analysis based on the PYQ's question, based on the most expected questions, they have given that questions. సో ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ని ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే షార్ట్ నోట్స్ లాగా, ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ లాగా, ఫార్ములాస్ లాగా, yes, you have to note it down and revise on daily basis. Definitely you will be performing well in the ECET examination if you do in this kind of smart preparation within this 20 or 30 days. Definitely your knowledge is going to improve for the ECET examination, and you are going to be scoring much well than much more than this 100 marks. So what is that analysis now? As you already discussed, let's talk about the weightages. Weightage subject wise, BMT, AMT, you are having around 20 marks, 7 plus 13, 20 marks here only. This is entirely theory, we can say. Engineering materials around 8 marks you will be getting. In the engineering materials also, the topics which are very important, we know, that is iron, carbon, equilibrium diagrams. This topic is important. Followed by heat treatment of steel. Then the most important one is ferrous and non-ferrous alloys. Ferrous, non-ferrous metals and their alloys. This topic is very important. Newly added syllabus is testing of materials. And the very most important and every year appeared question is what? Properties. strength, stiffness, ductility, malleability, okay, hardness, creep, fatigue, strength. These all properties are very important in the engineering materials. Definitely one question will be there. Okay. Next one is CAD CAM, around 3 marks. Industrial management IME, it's around 8 marks. Thermodynamics, around 12 marks are there. HPE, 13 marks are there. So combinedly we can say here 25 marks from the thermal part only. So those who are interested in the thermal part definitely can score easily 25 marks from there. Okay. Questions are not something like hard questions are there. Questions from the PYQs, those who have already studied the PYQs definitely can score minimum around 5 marks from here. Conceptual questions will be around 10-15 questions, so easily 20 marks will be there. Remaining other 5 questions, definitely this will be some memory power question, some twisting question. So that 5 questions, those who are having clear concept, revision, mock examinations, then definitely they can also get that marks. But on an average, 25 marks, 15 to 20 marks can everyone store easily, and everyone score very easily. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this part. Refrigeration and air conditioning is a newly added syllabus, 6 chapters, 6 topics, 6 marks we can say. But rather than 5th chapter, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 6th chapter are very important. Okay, that is, first of all, refrigeration is going to be there, VCRS, the most important concept, VRS, then equipments, psychrometry and air conditioning application. Okay, so starting 3 topics you can prepare well. That is, first one is introduction of refrigeration and air conditioning, types of refrigeration, what is ton of refrigeration, followed by VCRS. Definitely the question will be there from the VCRS, vapor compression refrigeration system. Carnot cycle is there, Bell-Coleman cycle is there. In VCRS, equipments are there, compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. Based on that question can come. Electrolux refrigerator, Carl Munters system, 3 fluid system, hydrogen, what is the role of the hydrogen, that question can appear. Okay. So, and last but not the least, psychrometry. Psychrometry definitions are important, and regarding the psychrometric chart is going to ask the question. And 4 we have discussed about the aircraft cooling, aircraft refrigeration, simple aircraft, bootstrap, reduced ambient and regenerative system. From that 4, yes, definitely one question is the most expected question for the refrigeration part. Followed by fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. Fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines, 7 questions, 7 marks are there. If you can observe here, FM and HM starting topics are very important, that is fluid properties. First chapter, fluid property important. Hydrostatic pressure measurement is second topic. Buoyancy question may come, cannot become. Kinematics question may come, may not become. Dynamics, Bernoulli's energy equation, continuity equation. Okay, kinetic energy, correction factor. Flow through pipes is an important chapter. Regarding laminar flow, turbulent flow, the question can appear. And last but not the least, a very important one, that is turbines and pumps. In the turbines also, specific speed question is important. Specific speed formula, specific speed values. Then in the theory he can ask you regarding the type of turbine, tangential flow, impulse turbine, Pelton wheel, high head, low discharge, low specific speed. Francis and Kaplan, reaction turbines. Okay, regarding that the question can appear. And pump 2. Followed by solid mechanics, around 13 marks are there. It is a combination of engineering mechanics and as well as solid mechanics, strength of materials. Strength of materials. So combined basis you can say 13 marks are there, followed by DME, design of machine elements, 10 marks. In the engineering mechanics, we can say the question always appears from the forces, resolution of the forces, parallelogram, followed by strength of material. Starting chapter is very important, that is simple stresses and strain, elastic constants, volumetric changes in the body and thermal stresses. 4 topics are there in one chapter. Okay, first chapter only. First one is you will be having simple stresses and strain. In that also we are having volumetric changes in the body. In that we are having elastic constants, and the 4th one is thermal stresses. Combine these 4 topics, we can say the entire chapter you want to cover for the strength of material. First go to this. Then you can go for shear force and bending moment, deflection of beams, torsion in shafts. Torsion in shafts also pakka question from this very chapter. Design of machine elements. In this chapter, again the first chapter is important, that is bolts, followed by belted drives. Then you can expect the question from the types of gears. There are spur gear, bevel gear, skew bevel gear, and spiral gear, hypoid gear, worm gears. Regarding that herringbone gear, types of gearing you can expect the question. And in the gear trains also, simple gear train, compound gear train, riveted gear train, epicyclic gear train, you can observe the question, go through the definitions and formulas from there. Cams and followers will be having a definition, pitch point, pitch circle, trace point, angle of ascent, angle of descent, dual is more important, so focus on that. If you can see, the extra added syllabus in the AP is ESPP, that is Energy Sources and Power Plant Engineering. From here you can expect the question from the theory part of conventional, non-conventional, solar energy, tidal energy, hydel energy. Important one is nuclear power plants, where you can focus on graphite rods, moderator, okay, that points. In IME again weightage is 8, R&AC is continuation, boiler, nozzle, turbine, condenser, definitely 10 marks will be there, hydraulic fluid machines, same, thermodynamics HP is also same, Tom and Dom. Here theory of machines we can say like flywheels, governors, extra part will be riveted and welded joints. Among this also flywheel and governor is going to be definitely asked question. Riveted welded joint may not be appeared, or he is going to be asking you only about the joints, lap joint, or we can say butt joint, what is that thickness, what is that depth, based on that questions will be appear. But important one in that also will be having what, flywheels and governors. In that you are having fluctuation of energy, coefficient of fluctuation of energy, fluctuation of speed, coefficient of fluctuation of speed, types of governor, centrifugal governor, Potter governor, Hartnell governor, okay, this type of governors, and based on that formulas will be given to you, sensitivity of a governor, definitions are important, formulas are important, go through that entire theory. Okay. In the mock examinations we have added separate examinations for AP and as well as TS. AP will be having separate weightage. Based on this weightage we will be conducting the examination for 100 marks. So definitely those who are preparing for AP examination, go through all this mock test examination bits, write it down, prepare the short notes, revise, and definitely you can perform well in the AP examination too. Okay. Followed by, here we are having again production 15 marks, workshop technology 12 marks. So around 27 marks here, materials around 12 marks, theory of machine, dynamics of machinery you will be having 11, thermodynamics, refrigeration part, thermal part is 12, boilers is 10, 22, refrigeration is 5, 27. So around 27 marks we will be getting from the thermal part, we can say. Okay. So this is the weightage for the Telangana and AP ESET examination. Make sure you know it first, and based on your preferences, your advantage, based on your known area of the subject, choose the weightage. How much you have to score? You have to score 60 marks. Minimum for sure you have to now prepare as for the 60 marks. Don't study something which you don't know, which is hard for you, which is not possible in this given time. So choose the subjects which you are preferable, which you are having some advantage, which can revise very easily and you can understand too. For that kind of some subjects, around 6 subjects, 4 subjects you choose from here, which is having a weightage of around 60 marks. Okay. And then add with the maths, physics and chemistry. Now let's see some weightages about the MPC, maths, physics and chemistry. Those who are good with matrices, because does not require anything to do with sin theta, cos theta, okay. Matrices does not require any trigonometric basics also. So directly we can go with this chapter. Matrices is having a weightage of 3 and 5. So we can say here 3 marks, minimum 3 marks. Partial fractions 1, logarithms also 1. So we can say average, lesser than, least marks we can say for what, 4 marks from this very area. You have to prepare, so you have to choose. You cannot go always 3 marks for matrices. Okay, if you are perfect in matrices, then you put the 3 marks there. How much I will score, sir? Around 2 marks, 1 mark, 1 mark. So 4 marks from this area. Ratios, compound angles, multiple and sum multiple, 3 marks you can add here. 4 plus 3, 7. Followed by transformation, 1 mark is there. Inverse trigonometry is easy. Properties of triangle is easy. 1 mark here, 1 mark there. And periodicity you can add 1 mark. If you want transformations also you can add 1 mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Around 11 marks, let's say so far. Then we are having circle 1 mark, parabola 1 mark, ellipse, hyperbola, straight line. Straight line is simple, so 1 mark from here. Okay. So far we can score here 3 marks from this area. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 is equals to what? Let's say 14 marks. Moving on, functions and limits, differentiation. Differentiation may keep at least 2 marks. Okay. Second order derivative, tangents and normals, we can say 1 mark from here. Maximum minima is very simple, so we can add 1 mark from here. Okay, function and limits at least 1 mark you can add here. Okay, some people are not good with second order derivative, but partial derivatives is very simple. So I will put 1 mark here. So 1, let's say this is 1 only. Let's say this is 1 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 marks from this entire chapter you have to score. Okay, put your select some topics such that at least you can score the 5 marks from here. So in the so far we have added 14. Now this is 14 plus 5. Let's say this is 14, right? Yes sir, 14. 14 plus 5. Let's say it is, make it as 19 marks. Indefinite integrals, let's say 1 mark. Definite integral, let's say 1 mark. Areas, volume, RMS combinedly, let's put here 2 marks. Differential equation 6 are there, will keep at least 3 marks. Laplace transformation 4 is there, will keep at least 2 marks. Fourier series, if you are good at Fourier series, then put it, or else not. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far we are having how many marks here? 19. So 19 plus 9. Let's say this makes it as what? 28 marks. 28 marks. Now, as we know that if you are able to score the 28 marks in mathematics, you will be there in definitely top 10 rank from the mechanical. Okay. If the paper is easy, definitely add some 5 marks too. So entirely you will be getting around 28 plus 5, that is 33 marks. So make sure you are preparing in this order. Let's see for the physics also. Physics is having units and dimensions. Keep 1 mark, vector 1 mark, kinematics 1 mark, friction 1 mark, work power energy. It's a simple concept. Try at least for 1 mark. Simple harmonic motion 1 mark. So you are having entirely 6. So far here 6. And from the acoustic we can say 1 mark. Heat and thermodynamics, keep 2 marks from here. Modern physics, it's your wish. Properties of matter, at least 1 mark. Electricity, magnetism, semiconductor physics, if you want to leave, because every chapter we cannot cover in this very chapter. Those who are good at physics, usually I am talking about mechanical students. So mechanical students will be feeling much good in what? Heat and thermodynamics, properties of matter, because solids and fluids are there. So that's why I am adding those marks here. Okay, go through it. Dimensions are there. Vectors we can score. Kinematics, mechanical students can score very easily. Friction, mechanical concept. Work power energy, mechanical concept. Simple harmonic motion, okay, leave it this one. Okay, I am not going to keep this one. Based on mechanical. Acoustic also you leave it. Okay, but heat and thermodynamics 2 marks you have to score. Properties of matter, then we can add 1 more mark from here. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Easily we should be able to score how many marks now? 9 marks. Okay, go through it. Go through it. Half to half we are selecting, half to half. Okay, 9 marks from here. So maths we have scored how many marks? Around 28. Okay. Physics we have scored around let's say 10 marks. Chemistry we can add here. Chemistry also we can add. Atomic structure, let's say 1 mark. Chemical bonding 1 mark. Solution, it's easy concept. Practice more on solutions. 2 mark. Acid and bases I'll keep 1 mark. Electrochemistry problems are there. So if you want, you can choose, or else water technology is a good mark. 2 mark from here. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. Let's say here 8, 9. Fuels is easy. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Corrosion also 1 mark. Let's say 14 marks. So chemistry you should be able to scoring around 10 plus, that is around 14 marks if you prepare in this manner. So now we are having what? 8 plus 4, 2, this is 3, 4, 5. Around 50 plus marks of MPC. 50 plus marks of MPC if you are able to score. Engineering 50 plus marks if you are able to score, then your entire 200 marks low man kachitanga 100 plus marks aithe vastayi. 100 plus marks means, if you can see here, 100 plus marks. 100 plus marks. 101. 101 marks. What is you will be your score in end? Integrated rank, your integrated rank will be below 1000. Okay, below 1000. That's how your strategy must be. Okay, 2 marks is there, you count at least for 1 mark. At least for 1 mark you prepare for 1 chapter. Okay, in that manner if you are going to prepare easily, you can get very good marks. Sir, how to prepare now? We are having entire subject in maths, physics, chemistry, engineering. This many books are there if you want to study. Then how to prepare? Okay, if you have compressed down these entire books in the form of what? Exams. Okay, this is what we have to know now. This is what we have to know now. Okay, this is the area of interest now. So what to prepare? If you want to score that 50 marks from engineering, 50 marks from MPC, then what to prepare? We are conducting mock examination. Already started from today onwards, April 16th. Engineering 1, mock engineering 2, mock engineering 3, mock engineering 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mock engineering examinations 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25th of this very month. Okay, you can see 10 mock engineering examinations. Based on this mock engineering examination, you will be getting how many bits? 100 marks, 10,000 bits you will be getting. On daily basis, if you practice the 100 questions, definitely at the end of 10 days, you will be able to know 1000 engineering questions. From that 1000, how many we require? 50. We require only 50. Definitely from that 1000 questions, if you are preparing 1000 questions, can't you able to crack some 30 questions from it? If in the ESET examination the same question appears, the same model question appears, or that same concept question appears, easily you can crack. Okay. Other 20 questions you have to manage. Other 20 questions you should be knowing about your own knowledge, and you will be keeping it, some by luck, some by preparation, some by just thinking, you are able to get that marks. So prepare in that manner. Possibilities will be more if you are going to be learning each and every question on the daily basis of 1000, then definitely it is possible. Okay, possibility is more. Followed by, if you see sir, after the end of this 10 mock examination, then April 27th, 29th, 1st May, 3rd May, 5th May, 7th May, 8th May and 9th May. You will be having what till 9th May mock ESET 8th is there, and on May 10th we are having mock ESET number 9. Mock ESET number 9. Those who are having some vivas, those who are having some external examinations, make sure if they are not able to attempt this examination, okay, just after the mock test examination and this what you can say mock ESET examination is completed, the very next day we are going to be uploading the solutions, key, the entire paper will be uploaded in the app. So app lo చూసి కనీసం మనం ఏం చేయాలి, షార్ట్ నోట్స్ అనేది రాసుకోవాలి. Fill in the blank లాగా రాయండి, ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా ఏం రాయకండి, just write down the question and write down the answer for that and try to see number of times. Okay, in the fill in the blank format, you write the blank, don't write the answer there, write the answer at the second page. Okay, while revision you have to revise in the fill in the blank manner. Fill in the blank manner. Suppose the question is given like this. Okay, zeroth law talks about, or measurement of temperatures are given by, measurement of temperatures, that is thermometry. Thermometry was given by dash, you write the dash. Okay, at the bottom of the page or the second page you write the answer as, this is question number 1, this is question number 1, write the answer as what, yes, this is 0th law, this is 0th law. So while revising you will be not having the answer for revision. Okay, మనం రివిజన్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మనకు ఆన్సర్ పక్కనే కనిపించకపోతే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పండి, యూ విల్ బి రిమెంబరింగ్ వాట్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ టెంపరేచర్ థర్మోమెట్రీ వాస్ గివెన్ బై డాష్, ఆన్సర్ వాస్ వాట్ 0th law. So now you know answer is 0th law. So ESET examination need not to be prepared as a multiple choice question, you have to prepare it like a fill in the blank. ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్ లాగా మనం ప్రిపేర్ కావాలి. క్వశ్చన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి వెళ్ళే రోజు క్వశ్చన్ చూసిన వెంటనే ఆన్సర్ ఏముంది మనకు గుర్తు రావాలి. You have to not think about the answer after seeing the option 1 na 2 na 3 na 4 na, you have to think like that. అంటే క్వశ్చన్ చూసిన వెంటనే ఆన్సర్ రావాలి, ఆన్సర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఏలో ఉందా, బిలో ఉందా, సిలో ఉందా, డిలో ఉందా, మనం చెక్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టేసేయాలి. దాట్స్ ద ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాటజీ ఫర్ ద ESET examination. Okay, so that's how you have to prepare the short notes in the form of fill in the blank. Okay, use your you can say time and it's very easy, you can give some 2 to 3 hours and you can complete the entire writing part of 100 questions very easily. Possibility is there. Okay, so this is the way to prepare for the ESET examination and to get top 1000 below integrated rank, 100 below branch rank, score should be around 100 plus, minimum 100 plus, will be targeting for 120 marks, 60 from MPC, 60 from engineering, or 50 plus MPC, 50 plus engineering. Easily we can score 100 plus, 120 plus in entire ESET examination for AP and as well as TS. So this is the way you prepare in the app Sai Mida Koti Hyderabad. రైట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్, మాక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఒక్కరు కూడా వదలకుండా ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రతి ఎగ్జామినేషన్ రాయండి, ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి, షార్ట్ నోట్స్ రాయండి, రివైజ్ చేయండి, ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్ లాగా రాయండి. ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి వెళ్ళే రోజు ఒక రోజు ముందు మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ప్రతిదీ చదవాలంటే కష్టం అవుతుంది, కానీ 1000 బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, జస్ట్ ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవడమే. ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. రాసేటప్పుడు కూడా 100 బిట్స్లో నీకు ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వచ్చే ఉంటాయి, అరౌండ్ 60 మార్క్స్ నీకు వచ్చే ఉంటాయి, 50 మార్క్స్ నీకు వచ్చే ఉంటాయి. సో నీకు ఆల్రెడీ గుర్తున్న బిట్ రాయకు, ఓకేనా. నీకు తెలియని బిట్, కొత్త బిట్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే, ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తే, పీవైక్యూస్ ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తే, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తే, ద బిట్స్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, విచ్ ఇస్ హార్డ్, విచ్ యూ డోంట్ నో, రైట్ డౌన్ దట్ బిట్ ఓన్లీ. Okay, save your time and write in the fill in the blank manner and revise on daily basis. Definitely this is today's is the April 16th. Definitely guys, ఈ విధంగా మనం ప్రిపేర్ అవుతే సాయి మేధాల్లో ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు టాప్ మోస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ డెఫినెట్లీ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, టాప్ మోస్ట్ ర్యాంకే కాదు, టాప్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్లో మీరు అనుకున్న సీట్ డెఫినెట్లీ మీకు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అదే ఆశిస్తూ వి విష్ యూ each and every one of you all the very best. Prepare well, use your time, don't waste this time, and get the below 1000 integrated rank, below 100 branch rank, top 5 colleges lo meeku seat ravali ani aashistu. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off.